Here's an updated briefing for the impending winter storm. Winter storm warnings are in effect. For our region specifically, the winter storm warning is in effect from 10 p.m. this evening until 6 p.m. Monday evening. All snow is expected across most of our region. However, across the south, some of the air may be warm enough to support sleet through at least part of the event into Monday morning. And in fact, early Sunday evening, sleet was being reported across the southern parts of the area. This is expected to be an historical winter storm event, possibly a top 5 event in some areas of our region, with the total snowfall forecast from 6 to 8 inches across the north to 10 to 14 inches across the southeast part of the region, especially the southern Peninsula region. And the snow will have quite a bit of impact with those type of accumulations, but also as a result of temperatures not being any warmer Monday than the upper teens to low to mid 20s. So in conclusion, a winter storm warning for heavy snow is in effect across all of our region for tonight and Monday. Snow heavy at times will develop tonight, especially late tonight, and continue through Monday morning and into the afternoon across the eastern parts of the area. The snow may be mixed at times with sleet across southeast Missouri and western Kentucky along the Tennessee border. Total snowfall accumulations from 6 to 8 inches across the region, and significant impact to travel is expected. And in fact, some roads could become impassable if vehicles become stranded, which has been the case in some of our past events of this magnitude. So as a result, all unnecessary travel is strongly discouraged. Any last-minute preparations travel that can be accomplished early this evening would be wise to do so. Also, I want to mention that this event will remain around, the snowfall from it, for several days. Very cold temperatures. In fact, the coldest temperatures of the entire winter season are forecast by Thursday morning, with low temperatures expected to be sub-zero across all of our area. For more information, see our website, weather.gov/PAH, for the latest developments on this developing winter storm.